Ever wondered how we can tap into the sun's incredible power right in our own homes? Not just for electricity, but for everyday things like lighting and even cooking. Well, get ready, because today we're rediving into the amazing world of solar power and how it is changing lives in the simplest, most brilliant ways. First up, let's talk about solar lighting. Imagine this: no more worrying about power outages or high electricity bills just to light up your space. Solar lights are a game changer. They're super simple. During the day, a small solar panel soaks up sunlight, charging an internal battery. When night falls, that stored energy powers up bright, efficient LED lights. It's that easy. We're talking about everything from small garden path lights that automatically turn on at dusk to powerful indoor lighting systems that can illuminate an entire room. These aren't just for off-grid living anymore. People are using them in sheds, garages, and even as backup lighting in their homes. They are incredibly easy to install, require almost no maintenance, and the best part, the fuel is absolutely free, delivered fresh from the sun every single day. But what if I told you that you could also cook your lunch using just sunlight? It sounds like science fiction, but it's totally real, and it's called solar cooking. There are a few different types of solar cookers, but they all work on the same basic principles: concentrating sunlight, converting that light to heat, and trapping the heat. The most common type is a box cooker. It's essentially an insulated box with a transparent lid, often with reflectors to bounce more sunlight inside. You place your pot inside, close the lid, and let the sun do the work. It's like a slow cooker, but powered by sunshine. You can bake bread, cook stews, steam vegetables, you name it. Temperatures inside can easily reach over 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. Then there are parabolic cookers. These look like a shiny satellite dish, and they are seriously powerful. They focus sunlight onto a single point, creating intense heat that can fry, boil, and grill food just as fast as a conventional stove. The precision is incredible. You place your pan right at the focal point, and within minutes, you're cooking with some serious heat. It's a fantastic way to cook outdoors without smoke, flames, or fuel costs. Plus, food cooked with solar energy often retains more nutrients and flavor because it cooks more gently and evenly, especially in a box cooker. So, why is this so important? Well, for millions of people around the world who don't have reliable access to electricity or clean cooking fuel, solar lighting and cooking are like that. They provide safe, free light to study and work by at night, replacing dangerous and smoky kerosene lamps. Solar cookers reduce the need to burn wood or charcoal, which helps combat deforestation and improves air quality, preventing respiratory illnesses. It's a win for people and a win for the planet. But even for those of us with all the modern conveniences, embracing solar for these simple tasks is a powerful statement. It's a step towards energy independence, a way to reduce our carbon footprint, and a fun, practical way to connect with the natural world. Think about it. A sunny day doesn't just mean good weather. It means you've got free energy to light up your evening and cook a delicious meal. How cool is that? From a simple garden light to a full-blown solar oven, the possibilities are bright. So next time you're enjoying a sunny day, remember the incredible potential beaming down on us. The future of energy isn't just about massive solar farms. It's also about these small, clever innovations that bring the power of the sun directly into our daily lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this illuminating, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more bright ideas. Let us know in the comments if you've ever tried solar lighting or cooking. See you next time.